Hey everyone, check out the AOTE-PITT Brushless Impact Wrench Kit featuring two 20-volt batteries. This powerful cordless tool delivers high torque and rapid impacts for heavy-duty fastening tasks. The kit includes 6 drive impact sockets, a fast charger, and a convenient carrying bag. Its compact design ensures comfortable handling during extended DIY or professional projects around the shop. Tackle stubborn lug nuts and bolts with incredible speed and efficiency using this versatile impact gun. Get ready to upgrade your toolbox performance today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.